Akashdeep Puni, Tuhin Sinha is saying this man is not coming to the BJP, but you can't ignore the gist of his argument, which is while resigning he is saying, boss, yahan to मामला खत्म है, ये हो गई है पूरी corrupt party. I cannot endure staying in it anymore, and they have no moral right to stay on. Now what? Being called out publicly, first by the Delhi High Court, and now by one of your own.
Now, Padmaja ji, I am today reminded what late Honorable Atalji said once, who said that chimti se bhi nahi chhoonga anybody who is corrupt, who rather chose to break his government and lose his government rather than shift one vote. And today the same party which has Praful Patel, Chhagan Bhujbal and Naveen Jindal, against whom they put so many allegations.
Akashdeep,
and
you went all
the ED
the
cases
way back to 1999 to quote Atal ji. आप 2013 का recent क्रांतिकारी को कोट कीजिए ना. Same Mr. Kejriwal who said, मैं कभी जिंदगी में एक गाड़ी नहीं लूंगा, गाड़ी पे झंडा नहीं लगाऊंगा, लाल बत्ती नहीं लगाऊंगा, मैं उतना बड़ा घर नहीं लूंगा, मैं कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं लूंगा, हमारे सारे एमएलएज वेटेड हैं, उनमें से किसी के ऊपर केस नहीं होगा. Let's quote more recent examples. My question to you is more direct. Being called out by one of your own who is saying you have no moral right to stay in government, I can't be a part of this system. Is it embarrassing?
See, it's not embarrassing. It's a simple, stark example what enforcement directorate raids can do. I have seen that after 23 hours of raids, Bharatiya Janata Party's all the spokespersons came out and said that this person is Kattar Beiman. I want to ask them one question. Can they today tell in front of the whole country on your show, the primetime show, that Raj Kumar Anand will not join Bharatiya Janata Party? I'm not saying they're going to join. They need to say.
He just answered
Can
that.
they
He's
say
saying,
this?
we are debating today a hypothetical. I am asking you a question of what is in front of us. You also said that Mr. Kejriwal is going to be killed in jail. You also said that he's being starved, his BP is rising and his sugar is falling. Let's talk about facts, not hypothetical situations, sir. As of today, if a former minister MLA is saying you have no right to continue in government, is it embarrassing?
देखिए Padmaja ji, I am also talking about facts. Now Praful Patel, by default, he did not go to Bharatiya Janata Party. What happened? All these ministers, Chhagan Bhujbal, Naveen Jindal, all they have been, their cases are shut after joining Bharatiya Janata Party. In one case, the enforcement directorate said that we have lost the case files. Just imagine this is the case. This is the case where when they joined Bharatiya Janata Party. And what do you think? Rajkumar Anand has got number of ED cases against him. Will he join Bharatiya Janata Party tomorrow?
So if he has got number of ED cases, see, this is a very double-edged sword. You are saying this is an unbelievable man. He should not be given any credence because he is the epitome of evil himself. Why was he a minister as of 4 o'clock today in the Aam Aadmi Party government? अरे भाई वो इतना खराब, इतना झूठा, इतना अनरिलायबल है, तो उनको मंत्री क्यों रखा था?
मैम मैं बस इतना बोल रहा हूँ कि वो डर गए.
That's it.
सिंपल सी चीज है, वो डर गए
बस. That's it.
जो दूसरे डरते नहीं है वो है.
किस चीज से डर गए?
किस चीज से?
But why is he scared? If he is clean, why is he scared?
सारे आपको क्या लगता है अशोक चौहान किससे डर गए? क्यों छोड़ा?
Maybe डर गए that he doesn't want to be part of a sinking ship. Maybe इसलिए डर गए क्योंकि उनकी सीट उठा के शिवसेना को दी जा रही थी. Maybe इसलिए डर गए कि आज के दिन when the MVA seat distribution is happening, there are MLAs whose phones are switched off and they are incommunicado. इसलिए डर गए शायद अशोक चौहान.
अशोक चौहान इसलिए डर गए क्योंकि उनके खिलाफ एक केस है जो सारे जर्नलिस्ट ने उठाया था. याद है कारगिल फॉर प्रॉफिट स्कैम जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने उठाया था. आज वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी में है.
चलिए ठीक है, डर गए. गो ऑन. तुषार गुप्ता, essentially this is coercion and it is barely veiled and the people will see through it.
Good evening, Padmaja. Pretty hot tempers today, but tempers, tantrum and theatrics are what the Aam Aadmi Party is all about. Look, the Aam Aadmi Party may complain about the BJP getting an alliance partner or several alliance from the Congress. But the truth of the fact is that last year when Manish Sisodia was arrested in the same scam, it was the Congress that filed the first complaint, but that did not stop Arvind Kejriwal from allying with the Congress 4 months later. Today, Arvind Kejriwal is behind bars, so all this discussion about the alliance is coming up. Nevertheless, Padmaja, I believe that Arvind Kejriwal's desperation to seek the legal aid this morning from the Supreme Court is not driven by the legalities of the case, but the desperation to retain the control over the party. Yesterday, maybe the optics came, but Sanjay Singh was wholeheartedly meeting Bhagwant Mann in Chandigarh. One can make whatever of those optics, but clearly the party is also slipping out of control. We're no longer seeing letters coming from the jail from Mrs. Sunita Kejriwal, or we are not seeing any administrative directives for Atishi Marlena. But about Raj Anand, the way he offered his resignation was quite unique. Now, there are layers to it as well. Let's not forget that the ED has said that the entire party might have to be implicated under the PMLA. That's the ED observation. We don't know what the court stance finally would be. But now the first question is Raj Anand thinking about his role in the liquor policy scam? Because just one of the spokespersons, Rao, commented that he was also under the ED radar for a while. Or is the Aam Aadmi Party imploding from within? Because Arvind Kejriwal, let's be very honest about it, has been given a cold shoulder by the Delhi High Court and today by the Supreme Court. He cannot hold on to the CM-ship indefinitely. A successor has to be nominated today or tomorrow. It's urgent. It's inevitable. So is the party imploding from within that we'll see more resignations? Let's not forget Raj Anand is not the only high-profile resignation we've seen from the Aam Aadmi Party. Until last week, Aam Aadmi Party had a Lok Sabha MP. Then he moved to the BJP. A lot of Aam Aadmi Party cadre in
Don't you
Punjab
find it
is moving to the
suspicious
Congress. So it's
that
not
a
just
few
the
hours
BJP that
ago
is taking the Aam Aadmi Party
he
cadre.
shares a tweet that talks about how Arvind Kejriwal has been incarcerated wrongly, and suddenly, like it literally takes 2 hours for his Zamir to awaken. What happened in those 2 hours?
That is why I'm saying, Padmaja, there are layers to it.
It could be
it's
call
not
of
his
conscience,
conscience.
Abhishek
Probably
Sudhir.
it's his role in the liquor
Maybe it
policy
was his
scam
conscience calling.
that prompted.
Padmaja, you know why I speak so fearlessly? Because these guys have nothing against me. What will they sue me for? Defamation. भाई ना मैंने कभी घोटाला किया है, ना मैंने पैसे बनाया है, भाई मेरे पास पैसे ही नहीं
मतलब
है.
आप कह रहे हैं
भाई,
राजकुमार आनंद ने
people
घोटाला
like me
किया
can
है.
have a conscience, but people who are in politics, people who have to fight elections, right? The way the BJP will have us believe, the Prime Minister will have us believe that only the opposition, right, is using black money to fight elections. Any educated Indian, any Indian who is not even educated, who has street smart, knows that there is black money in the system. One person is using the institutions to target one side of the political divide.
Sir, with the greatest of respect, you are really not doing any favors to the Aam Aadmi Party right now. You are saying, I am fearless because I have done no wrong. Aam Aadmi Party people are scared because they are essentially corrupt and criminals.
Sorry,
If you are
Padmaja.
saying that fearlessness comes from being untainted, then why is the Aam Aadmi Party running
Did
scared?
Sanjay
And-
Singh break, Padmaja? Did Sanjay Singh break for 6 months? Did Sanjay Singh break? Sanjay Singh is not a mass leader. He doesn't have a mass base.
Sir, you
he
are
is a
not
Rajas-
doing any favors to Sanjay Singh,
no.
poor thing. He
No, no.
thinks he is the biggest neta right now. And you're saying
Look,
he has no
I'm being
base.
honest with you, Padmaja. I'm not a part of the party because I want to speak freely. Arey, you clap, boss. You clap. Clap for Modi. Your Modi's.
Because
yeah,
he resigned.
Modi.
He resigned from the
That's all
Samajwadi
you're
Party
doing.
Okay,
after
let's
22
calm down.
elections and he
Let me
resigned
speak,
from
Padmaja.
the
My
Aam
point
Aadmi
is
Party.
this.
Okay, 30 seconds, Abhishek Sudhir, then to
Sanjay Singh doesn't have lakhs of karyakartas who will riot and protest. These are middle class people who got into politics. They don't have money power. They don't have muscle power. They have a few loyal supporters who rally behind them. 6 months he didn't break Tiache. You think it wouldn't be easy for Sanjay Singh to switch parties? You think Sanjay Singh couldn't go to the BJP? You think they wouldn't have given Sanjay Singh a plum posting in the BJP?
Okay.
Of course they would have. 6 months he didn't break.